Hello, my name is Matteo Jarin, and this is my presentation for Data 625 Section 4 at the University of Maryland Global Campus, under the instructions of Professor Fred Kiwanuka. The title of this project is Forecasting the Future of the S&P 500. For this project, I selected S&P 500 Index as my time series data. I downloaded the data from Yahoo Finance, which includes the monthly records from 2014 to 2025. I chose this data set because the S&P 500 is a strong economic indicator that reflects broad market, and it contains rich, well-structured time series data, including price and volume, ideal for forecasting. Additionally, this data set is relevant to current financial trends and follow for the applications for forecasting modeling to estimate future performance. Graph 1. S&P 500 close price. This graph shows the monthly closing prices for S&P 500 from 2014 to 2025. We can clearly see consistent long-term growth, with a sharp recovery after 2020 pandemic dip. The forecast suggests continued upward movement through 2026. Because of the data show minimal noise as a steady pattern, I have high confidence that Tableau's linear forecast for this variable, as you can see in this section right here up top. Number 2, trading volume. Volume gives insight into the market activity. In this graph, we see a major spike in 2020, which aligned with the COVID-19. Since then, volume has stabilized. The forecast shows relatively flat volume in 2026. This supports the ideal investor panic has cooled, and the market is behaving in a more stable way, as you can see in this end of the graphic right here. Opening price. The S&P 500 opening price followed the same trend as closing prices, further validating the consistency of the data set. This supports the forecast trend, as open prices are generally free from overnight anomalies. The confidence interval here is also narrow, adding further credibility to the model's prediction. Graph number 4. Yearly high price. This chart shows the highest price reaches each year. These peaks represent market confidence. We see incredibly high heights over the last 10 years, especially in 2020. After 2020. The forecast projects even strong heights by the end of 2026, which suggests strong among investors. Conclusion. This time series analysis show that S&P 500 has steadily increased over the past decade, with its clear strength in closing, opening, volume, and high prices. Both of these analyses, the index and the expected continuous growth pattern in 2026, the visualization supports this outlook, and Tableau forecasting provides reliable projection with visible confidence ranges. Thank you for your time. This concludes my briefing.